EPL coaches.
Good evening.
Before this meeting starts, I go like make una sing my name. You know na, that one where club sing for me.
Your papa, we resemble club.
This one wey call all of us. Wetin happen? The matter serious like that?
The matter serious oh.
Abeg make una shift for me. I no pitch dey stand for this meeting. Space no dey. Go the other side. Wetin be space no dey. No be space be this. No be space oh. No come here oh. Space no dey. Wetin dey worry una? I no pitch stand for this meeting oh.
Shey na you dey carry 7th. Na stand you go stand na.
Say wetin happen?
Unless you want dey go house.
Make this meeting no be waste of time. If not.
Wetin make I call this meeting? Na the unresolved conflict wey una get from 2nd to 7th. Who go Champions League and who no go? We need to settle this thing because una just dey confuse una sef.
E concern you.
For the good of EPL, I wan make we come to consensus on who go qualify for Champions League and who go enter Europa or that Mumu League wey this guy wan carry.
No dey call am Mumu League. Respect yourself.
I no understand. If season finish, we go find out now.
No. I no wan leave am to chance. No offense oh, but like now, e no go make sense if teams like Nottingham Forest follow us represent England for Champions League. Nothing wey dem get to offer. Nothing at all.
Shege wawa.
No, I mean am. Chelsea now suppose go Europa. Dem never ride for Champions League.
You say?
All this nonsense wey dem dey play here. Thunder go fire dem if dem go Champions League.
See, slot!
And na disgrace to the whole EPL.
I no go take that insult from you. Say na you carry EPL, no mean say you go open mouth dey talk rubbish. But no be lie now. Na Michael Jackson you wan use play Champions League. Guardiola! The respect wey I get for you go disappear o.
Unai, wetin you get to talk? As long as I enter Champions League, I dey in support of the idea.
You know well. So make me and Nunu agree to shift for you now.
None of una serious na. So I wan help una choose.
I dey 5th o.
See Guardiola wey suppose win relegated Southampton. E go dey draw. No fit win common Leicester. You, I reduce difficulty level for you. You still no fit win me. All of una just
I go blow you for mouth oh.
How? How come you never talk since? I just dey recover from life-threatening sickness. All these ones wey una dey talk, e no dey bother me. As long as I go follow enter. You see am? People wey dey go no get problem. We wey dem no select get problem. Abeg I no dey do this meeting Joe. This thing na nonsense. I go still come this Champions League. Just dey watch.
Here you dey go. Meeting never finish oh.
Thunder fire you.
Na your fixture hard pass. You dey para. Last you go still enter Europa.
Our people, una well done o. I come tell una about one promo for 1xbet wey dem dey do every week. Dem dey call am 1x free bet. If you gbadu this promo, wetin you suppose do na to just register for 1xbet with our promo code GNEXT. You go get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Then go the offer page go press take part. Come play one single game of correct score with at least 3,310 naira inside any game wey you like from Tuesday to Monday. Once your game finish, dem go give you free bet wey be 100% of your stake amount. Make sure say you dey use sense dey bet o. Good luck.
Enter!
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Dem tell me say you dey call me.
Drive bike!
Which bike?
I said drive bike!
Okay, how about now? Jesus is Lord.
Shey na you talk say we no fit qualify for Champions League.
Okay, that one as you owed me now. The new me believe.
Shut up your lying mouth. Na you talk say to qualify for Champions League na mission impossible.
How about Kochi? Na the old me talk am now. Even for film, dem dey later complete the mission.
Why you come collect Mumu red card against Newcastle?
Kochi, I no purposely do am na.
Shey you know say na that thing wey you do give us Newcastle disease.
How about Kochi? I no really touch the guy now.
You say wetin?
Kochi, my elbow slightly brush him face. No be say I really touch am.
Hey, okay.
Blood of God!
No be wetin you do am be that?
Kochi, you don shift my jaw.
Shut up your mouth. You able person jaw. You think say video no go catch am? You get sense at all?
Kochi, sorry now. We still there 5th.
By the grace of God. You don't put us for serious kasala now. We no get strike again till season finish.
Kochi, we get some kunku now.
Thunder fire your dirty mouth. Make we no qualify for Champions League first. Mumu.